What's going on, everyone? Welcome to this very special section. In this section, you're gonna see me day trade live, and you're gonna see all the tips and strategies and everything that I've been talking about in this course being applied to my own trades. I'm really excited to share this with you guys because this is one of the things that actually you can come back a lot and watch more, because I'm gonna be posting more day trading sessions every week. And also, you're gonna see and you're gonna learn something very important, and that is the fact that not everything is going to be perfect when you actually day trade live. That's another important thing that is very important to remember, is that even if you're the best trader in the world, you're still going to make mistakes. And that's why I'm actually doing this section, because not many people end up sharing their live trades, because I want to share this with you so you can see that nothing can be perfect. All you got to do for you to be a good trader, a profitable trader, is to just make more money than you lose. So you're going to see me make money, you're going to see me lose money, you're going to see me make mistakes, and you're going to see me, make profitable trades. So again, it's all about showing you the raw trading and to show you what it is like to make money online off of day trading. All right, guys, so with that being said, let's get into it. I'm really excited to share this with you guys, and again, this is something you rarely see out here, so I just want to share it with you guys and show you how everything goes. So let me know if you have any questions. You can always ask me questions, and one of the things that I think I mentioned that, but make sure you come back. I'm posting day trading sessions pretty much every week, so you come back, look at some of the videos that has been posted, so you see more stuff in action and you can learn more. Thank you so much, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. You can always send me a message, and I'll see you in the next videos and next day trading live videos.